Hello YouTube, it's Gio again. Hope you guys been doing good. I'm showing you the Roland Voice Transformer VT-4. Just doing an unboxing. It's a nice little device for users to transform their voices while recording music, or I'm going to be using it for cartoon voices. Have my characters have different voice ranges, so it's a nice little small little box. You could take it with you and record your versions of different characters while you're on the go. So yeah, so you could just take a look at the box right now. It's a Roland VT-4. It's about 4 inches. Here's the documentation. Just let you know what's in the unit, etc. There's no cables that come with it. It only comes with 4 AA batteries. So yeah. So right here we got the headphones, mic in, line out, bypass, mono, that's for the speakers, and a lock, and a XLR mic, and a MIDI. You could connect that to your keyboard. I haven't done that yet, but I'll show you a demonstration in a few times soon. So yeah, so that's the Roland Voice Transformer VT-4. Thank you so much.